Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coding Lovers. We are going to discuss about Go interface. Interfaces in Go are similar to other programming languages. Interface is collection of method signatures that can be implemented by any struct. In Go we can declare interface like type, name of interface, interface keyword, and curly braces means interface body. By using interface, we can achieve runtime polymorphism in Go. Means we can assign struct type of value to interface type of variable if struct implement the interface. Let us jump on VS Code. Hello friends, I have already created the file inf.go. We are going to follow following step. First, we are going to declare the shape interface with area method. So let me type the code. Type name of interface. I will say shape interface. Interface is collection of methods, so we are going to declare area method, which will return int type of data. Now we are going to declare the rectangle structure. So how we will declare? Type rect struct. It has two attributes: length integer type, width integer type. So our struct is also ready. Now we are going to implement the area method. So for implementing area method, what we need to do? Func area. It is going to return int. Okay. Who is going to implement? Rect is going to implement area. So we will take here R, which is the rect type. Means we can say rectangle is implementing area method. So we can return r dot l multiply by r dot w. Means we are multiplying length with width and it is a returning area. Now we are going to declare shape type of variable, where as it is a shape type of variable. Now we are going to assign rect to shape. Rect 20, 10. 20 is length, 10 is width. So this is the runtime polymorphism, because we can assign rect type of struct into shape type of means interface type of variable, because rect struct implement the interface. Now we will print the area of rectangle s dot area. Now our code is ready. We can run go run inf.go. Our code is running perfectly fine. We are getting 200 the area. Now we will create one more structure, square. So just we will copy and paste this structure and change it to square. So we will take one variable e, which is the edge. It is not type rect square. So this is our new structure. Now we are going to implement the area method in square. So we can copy and paste the code. Here we will take square s and s dot e multiply by s dot e. So we have taken one more struct which have implemented this interface shape. Now we can assign square of type of variable in shape also. So we can write s equal to square. We can give it 30. Now I can call area of a square s dot area, and we will run. Now our code is ready, we can run. So it is printing 900, which is correct. Means it is basically performing runtime polymorphism. If we are assigning rectangle struct in shape type of variable, it is calling rectangle area function. If we are assigning a square type of struct in shape variable, it is calling square area method. This is called runtime polymorphism. So our code is running perfectly fine.
Thanks for watching Coding Lovers. Like and subscribe.